What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of The Drive Show. Now, behind me is an F83 BMW M4. Now, before we get to that, what I asked you guys on a YouTube poll the last time was, should I do more new car reviews, more street culture content like car meets and drags and stuff like that? And you guys voted for both. So I decided to take this BMW M4 F83 2015 version. This is not a competition variant. It is a convertible though, really sick spec over there.
Now, before we get anywhere, let me introduce this car. We're going to call this on the channel the Project 4. This belongs to my brother in Atlanta, and we had brought this car back to life last year. I had worked on this car just after the car had a new engine swapped out, but it was not producing enough power. There was a whole lot of ups and downs and parts that had to be replaced, and there was a whole lot of calibration that had to be done on the engine as well. When I got this car running last year, I regretted that I didn't film the whole process, as it would have been a fun series to have on the channel. Nonetheless, the car is here now, and we can actually film some stuff for the channel. If this gets enough traction, this might be a regular on the channel.
Lloyd, this is Lloyd. Arriving the same time as Lloyd. He didn't even see me, this guy. He's past me, he was behind me, passed and went ahead of me. This man.
Hey Charter, welcome to the drive show.
Line up right now. There's a TT, I think it's a TTS. Go 7R there. Focus RS quick. This M5 here is cooked. This M5 is cooked. And an X3M competition. We are going to race the TCR again. The first race I flunked the gear, he won. Win is a win, so I'm not gonna, Second race I gapped him. We're going for the best 2 out of 3, so we're going again for another race. Says we should go.
Now, what exactly happened here? So the M240i driver decided to ask me to launch, and when we tried to launch the M4, we did not hook at all. Gear 1 was spinning. By the time I switched to gear 2, the car was already pretty much sideways. I tried to correct it, and I had to eventually let off. The car spun out, but I was able to save the car. Now, that is what happened. Let's get back to the race.
if he cheated.
Bro. Automatic thing.
And that was it for today's episode. If you guys like this type of content, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below on where I could have done better and what you think I could have done to prevent spinning out on the M4.